In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Drive folder with non-Gmail users. This process is a game changer for collaborating with people who don't use Gmail. Let's get started by heading over to Google Drive, where we can initiate this process and make sure everyone, regardless of their email service, can access the files they need. First, navigate to drive.google.com and log in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your personal drive. Locate the folder you wish to share. It's important to note that this could be an existing folder or a new one. Whichever it is, make sure it's ready with the files you want to share. After spotting your folder, right-click on it to open the context menu. In this menu, select the option labeled Get Link or Share. Both paths will guide you to the sharing settings. These settings are where the magic happens, as you'll soon see. A dialog box will appear indicating the current sharing status of your folder. By default, it will be set to Restricted, meaning only people you explicitly add can access it. We'll need to change this setting to allow non-Gmail users access as well. Click on the section that reads Restricted next to Share with People and Groups. Now switch it to Anyone with the link. Switching this option means that with the correct link, anyone can access your folder, even those who don't have a Google account. But a word of caution here, always ensure you only share this link with trusted contacts to avoid unintended access. Once you've set the folder to Anyone with the link, you have a couple of additional options to consider. You'll see a drop-down menu indicating whether those with the link have viewer, commenter, or editor access. Make a mindful choice here based on the level of interaction you want people to have with your files. Typically, viewer is the safest if you want to prevent any changes to your documents, but if collaboration is needed, choose editor. After setting the appropriate permissions, click on the Copy Link button to grab the link to your clipboard. You can now share this link with your non-Gmail using collaborators through email, chat, or any medium you prefer. Take a moment to double-check your sharing settings before closing the dialog box. It's better to be sure than to accidentally leave your work vulnerable. That's it. You've successfully configured your Google Drive folder to be accessible by non-Gmail users. This method allows anyone with the link to gain the access level you desire, making collaboration effortless, regardless of the email provider. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.